My name is Nuzaima binti Zadani. Number matric A23A2033. I want to talk about boundaryless organization. Boundaryless organization is when the activity moves the boundaries to innovation, means that the organization has less hierarchy and separation of function and is more integrated. And organization without boundaryless refer to a form of organization structure that aims to eliminate or reduce the traditional limitation between units or division in the organization. A boundaryless organization is a modern structure that approves organization design. This organization primarily eliminates the boundaries that a company is going through within the company. Therefore, the organization is not defined by the horizontal, vertical, or external boundaries that are proposed by the other structure. The system also allows the external and internal environment to link the company. The vertical dimension is a traditional hierarchy structure. The horizontal dimension is function separation, including other departments and silos. The external dimension is a separation in the value chains. And the geographic dimension refers to the separation between countries or geography and is a specific form of horizontal separation. Boundaryless organizations are organizations that do limit themselves to a predetermined vertical or hierarchical structure. Boundaries implies broad acceptance and openness to ideas, regardless of their sound, and a ability to actively look beyond your immediate limit for best practice when faced with problems. It also means aggressively sharing your idea where you think they can add value. Typically, boundaryless organizations are multicultural and operate internationally across multiple market areas. As these organizations operate in large geographical areas, management and influence have different needs than leadership. A key aspect of the boundaryless organization is this willingness to embrace change, which allows it to rapidly modify its operation as needed to keep up with technological advantage. The way boundaryless organizations embrace virtual work environment, this case in point. By removing the need to meet in person, a virtual environment makes it possible to coordinate between offices around the country or the world. Boundaryless always team to work together regardless of travel distance or time zone. Boundaryless organization approved in today's context. This approach is particularly relevant in today's context, where the rise of globalization and technological advancement have made it easier for companies to connect with people from different parts of the world. This is important to note. The boundaryless organizations are not without their challenges. For example, communication can be difficult when employees are working in different locations, and this can be challenges to maintain a sense of community and culture within the organization. Additionally, the lack of clear boundaries can lead to confusion and conflict, which can negatively impact the organization. The The boundaryless organization approach can be an effective way for companies to stay competitive in today's fast-paced business environment. By embracing this approach, organizations can create a more flexible and adaptive workforce that is better equipped to make the challenges of the future. Example for boundaryless organization. Example of boundaryless organization will be Boeing and Apple. Both of the companies try to remove hierarchy to empower employees and teams. In boundaryless hierarchy, employees are empowered to make decisions. Therefore, decisions are made by people close to the root of the problem and who have to live with the concern. Empower and giving authority to employees always for the shortest time between decision and implementation. The goal of boundaryless organization is to develop greater flexibility and responsible to change and to enable the free exchange of information and ideas. This is made up of self-managing and cross-functional teams that are organized around core business process. The team include employees from different functional areas as well as customer and supplier. Advantage for boundaryless organization. First, enhanced flexibility and adaptability. Companies can adapt to new situations, such as market shift or customer needs, because they are not stuck in a rigid way of doing things. Encourage creativity and innovation. Employees are more likely to come up with new ideas and solutions because they are not limited by traditional rules or departments. Improves communication and collaboration. Team members can share ideas and collaborate more easily. They can also combine their skill and knowledge to do a better job. Advantage for boundaryless organization. First, security and confidentiality concern. In a more open and collaborative environment, there may be increased risks related to the security and confidentiality of sensitive information. This is essential to create a robust system to protect data from unauthorized access. 2. Lack of clear hierarchy. Without a clear chain of command, employees may not know who to report. This will lead to uncertainty and inefficiency. 3. Difficult to assess responsibility. It will be difficult to determine who is responsible when something goes wrong because rules are not well-defined. This will bring problems among employees. In my opinion, a boundaryless organization is very important in an organization. A boundaryless organization is one that activities move the boundaryless to innovation. This means that the organization has less hierarchy and separation of function, and this is more integrated. The boundaryless organization approach can be an effective way for companies to stay competitive in their fast-paced business environment. By embrace this approach, organizations can create a more flexible and adaptable workforce that is better equipped to meet the challenges of the future. Boundaryless organizations have their own advantage and disadvantage.